data. Protect your space.
Always stay aware in cyberspace.
Fight against risks. Be smart online.
Educate yourself to draw the line.
Respect each other. Both for year.
Invest in safety. No need to fear.
Think before acting. Protect your data.
Always protect your personal data.
Every click matters, so take your time.
Remember, safety is always strength.
Navigate wisely with care in mind. Trust only sources that are refined.
Every click matters, so take your time. Remember, safety is always prime.
And make internet safe for all.
Act responsibly. Always be wise.
Secure online spaces for everyone.
Educate yourself and others about risks.
Harmful content and behavior.
Empower others to stay safe.
Respect online communities.
Never share too much personal information.
Take steps to avoid cyberbullying.
Don't click on suspicious links.
Always stay vigilant.
You make the internet a safe place.